Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about cross-region replication in AWS S3. It is a feature which automatically replicates your data from an S3 bucket in one AWS region to another bucket in different AWS region. Now there is a question why there is a need of cross-region replication. First of all, disaster recovery. Suppose that entire region goes down due to a natural disaster. Your data will remain safe and accessible in that case also. Next, compliance requirement. Some governments want you to store your data in that particular region only. Third, latency reduction. Let us see, your customers are separate across the globe. Your cross-region replication can help by placing your data closer to the end user. It helps us to reduce the time it takes for them to access your content. Last but not the least is data redundancy. By replicating your data across various AWS regions, you are adding an extra layer of protection against data loss. Now, let us see what are the different steps required to set up. First of all, you have to create a source bucket in US East 1 region. Then you have to create a destination bucket in US West 2 region. Now, make sure that your versioning is enabled in both the buckets. After that, you have to create an IAM role which have the necessary permission such as AWS full access. Next, you have to go to your source bucket and configure the replication rules. After that, whenever you are uploading any file in source bucket, it will be automatically get replicated to the destination bucket. So this is the overall process of cross-region replication. Now let us see the demo. First of all, you have to go to S3. Now as we can see that we are in US East 1 region. Now I am creating the source bucket in this region. So click on create bucket, named it as CRR source. Now ACL is disabled, block public access is enabled, and here we have to turn on the bucket versioning. So click on enable, now click on create bucket. Next, you have to create a destination bucket. So I am selecting the destination as US West 1. Now click on create bucket. I am naming it as CRR destination. ACL is disabled, block public access is enabled, and the bucket versioning is enabled. Now you have to click on create bucket. Now the next step is to go to your source bucket, which is in East 1 region. So I am going here to the source bucket. First of all, I am going to upload one file into it. So click on add files. Here I am uploading one CSV file. So let me upload this one. After that, click on upload. Once it is done, what I have to do, I have to go to the management and create a replication rule here. Always remember that the replication rule is created in source bucket only. So click on create replication rule. Now give your rule a name. So I am naming it as like this. Here it is asking where you want to apply the rule. So I want to apply for all the objects in the bucket. For destination, I am selecting my destination bucket, which is this one. Click on choose path. Next, it is asking me IAM role. So here I am going to click on create new IAM role and click on save. Now here it is asking that you want to replicate the existing object present in the bucket. So here I am saying it yes. So click on submit. Now what you have to do in this, you have to specify your completion report destination. So here I am choosing one more bucket. Let us say I am providing my completion report to go to this bucket. Next, permissions. So click on create new role and click on save. Now you can see that our batch operation mode is on and it is currently in the running phase. When it is successful, the objects present in the source bucket is copied to the destination bucket. Now here you can see that the total object that is copied is 1. Now you can go to bucket in order to check it and click on your destination bucket, and here you can see that your object is successfully copied into the destination. So this is how cross-region replication works in AWS S3.